Hey, listen, if you're tired of watching the scale refuse to budge, even after trying every diet under the sun, if you're frustrated with a metabolism that feels slower than a broken elevator, and if you're ready to finally unlock your body's natural fat-burning potential without starving yourself or living in the gym, then what I'm about to share could honestly be the game changer you've been searching for. But first, let me ask you something that might sting a little. How many times have you started a new diet plan full of hope only to quit within weeks because it was just too restrictive? How many metabolism-boosting supplements have you spent money on hoping for a miracle but got nothing? Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to tell you. Your metabolism isn't broken. It's just been put to sleep by years of crash dieting, meal skipping, and following advice that actually works against your body's natural design. The diet industry has convinced you that weight loss requires suffering. Your metabolism is like a fire. Most people are trying to lose weight by starving that fire of fuel. But here's what actually happens. Your body panics, slows everything down, and starts hoarding every calorie as fat. No wonder you're stuck. Today marks the end of that frustrating cycle. You're about to discover how to turn your metabolism into a 24/7 fat-burning furnace that works with your body, not against it. Introducing the 30-Day Metabolism Challenge, the scientifically backed system that has helped thousands of people just like you reignite their metabolic fire and watch stubborn pounds melt away, even if nothing else has worked before. This isn't another restrictive diet that leaves you hungry and miserable. This is a complete metabolic reset that teaches your body to burn fat efficiently while you still enjoy the foods you love. Here's what makes this challenge different. Instead of slowing your metabolism down with extreme restrictions, we're going to speed it up using proven strategies that work with your body's natural rhythms. Inside the 30-Day Metabolism Challenge, you'll discover, number 1, how to eat at specific times to keep your fat-burning hormones elevated all day long. Number 2, the 3 metabolism killers hiding in your kitchen that are sabotaging your results and what to replace them with. Number 3, simple food combinations that force your body to burn more calories just digesting them. Number 4, why eating more of certain foods actually accelerates fat loss. This flips everything you've been told on its head. Number 5, the 7-minute morning ritual that kickstarts your metabolism before you even have breakfast. Number 6, how to turn your body into a metabolic furnace that burns calories even while you sleep. Number 7, what to do when your weight loss stalls. This alone is worth the entire program. Number 8, simple lifestyle tweaks that can increase your metabolic rate by up to 15% without any extra exercise. But here's what I'm most excited to share with you. And this challenge doesn't just help you lose weight. Participants report having more energy than they've had in years, sleeping better, thinking clearer, and feeling genuinely excited about their body for the first time in decades. Sarah from Texas lost 18 pounds in her first 30 days and said, "In just 30 days, I lost 18 pounds, and for the first time in years, I feel like I have my body back, my energy is up, my clothes fit better, and I finally feel in control again. This challenge changed everything for me." Mike from California broke through a 6-month plateau and dropped 22 pounds, saying, "I was stuck in a frustrating plateau for 6 months. Nothing worked. Then I tried the 30-Day Metabolism Challenge and dropped 22 pounds. This is the first program that actually made sense and got real results. I only wish I had found it sooner." Now, I could easily charge $297 for this complete metabolic transformation system. Personal trainers charge that much for just a few sessions, and nutritionists charge even more for meal plans that are nowhere near as comprehensive. But I'm not going to charge you anywhere close to that, because I remember what it felt like to be frustrated, confused, and ready to give up on my body. That's why I'm making the complete 30-Day Metabolism Challenge available for just $47. That's less than what most people spend on a single dinner out, but this could literally change the trajectory of your health for life. And just to make this completely risk-free for you, I'm backing this with my unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. Follow the challenge for the full 30 days. If you don't see dramatic improvements in your energy, your body composition, and how you feel in your own skin, just ask for a refund and keep everything. But wait, if you act right now, you'll also get these exclusive bonuses. Bonus number 1, the Metabolism Boosting Recipe Collection. 50 delicious meals that actually speed up your fat burning. Bonus number 2, the Quick Start Action Guide and the Plateau Prevention Protocol. That's over $83 in bonuses, absolutely free, but only if you claim your spot today. So here's what happens next. You can continue struggling with a sluggish metabolism, feeling frustrated every time you step on the scale. Or you can click the button below right now, invest just $47 in yourself, and finally give your metabolism the reset it's been desperately needing. 30 days from now, you could be looking in the mirror at a leaner, more energetic version of yourself. The choice is yours, but don't wait. Your metabolism has been patient long enough. It's time to wake it up. Click the button below and let's reignite your metabolic fire together. Your future self will thank you.